We'll be using our Pascal program to write a program to calculate the average of three numbers that the user will input using the keyboard. So we're going to go to File, New Source File. Then we're going to make this larger. All right. So we're going to start the program. So we're going to write some comments, and we're going to go across here, and this would be the head. Head, enter, enter, program. Now you can name the program anything after this, but it must have any spaces in it. So if you have two words, you can use an underscore to join the two words. So we're going to call it calculation underscore of underscore the average. So we need an underscore here for three numbers. Colon, enter. All right, so the next thing I'm going to write is uses CRT colon and this allows us to access the Pascal library. All right, press enter. All right, we're going to declare our variables. So we're going to put a comment. So declaration of variables along with data type. Enter. Or we're gonna write variables, capital letters, variable. We're gonna write num underscore one or num1, comma, num2, comma, num3. I'm gonna declare these as integer. Semicolon after the each line. We also going to have our average declared as real, semicolon after each line. All right, so we're gonna go backspace. We're going to write a comment. So this is the body of the program. All right, enter, enter. All right, so we're gonna start with the word begin here at this point. We're gonna write begin in capital letters. Begin, tab. So we're gonna write ln open bracket single quotation welcome to the average calculation application. Single quote, close bracket, semicolon, and this would be an output statement. Enter. I'm gonna go again. Capital letters, write ln open bracket single quotation enter the first number close single quotation close bracket semicolon. Um, this would be an output statement. Statement enter. Then we're gonna read. We're gonna read. So we're gonna go capital letters. Read ln open bracket. This would be num1 close bracket semicolon enter. So we're gonna write again cap write ln open bracket single quote enter the second number single quote close semicolon, and this would be an output statement. So we're gonna put a comment here. Output statement. All right, what we're gonna do, we want these to be aligned. So we're gonna press tab. All right. I'm gonna take out this word calculation, and then we're gonna carry this back here. All right, gonna carry this one space forward. There. All right, this would be an input statement, right? So we're gonna label it input statement. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing again. Enter. We're going to read line, capital read line, open bracket, num2 close bracket, semicolon, tab, right in our comments. This would be an input statement. Enter. We're going to write line, open bracket, quotation, single quotation, enter the third number, single quotation, semicolon. All right, so this would be an output statement. I'm gonna come up to here. Right? Enter, read, line, open bracket, num3, num3, close bracket, semicolon. This should be small command letter, num2. All right, so this would be an input statement. Enter. All right, so average AVG is equal to, open bracket, num1 plus num2 plus num3, close bracket, divided by 3. And then we put our semicolon. I'm gonna put a comment here. This will be processing. Enter. Then processing an assignment statement. Backspace to go back to the start. All right, so the next thing is right line, open bracket, single quotation, single quote, average. I can write the average is single quote, comma, average colon 0 1 close bracket semicolon. This would be an output statement. Statement. I'm gonna write again. This is just an extra step I'll be writing now. Write line, open bracket, single quote, press enter to close the program. Single quote, close bracket, semicolon, tab. This would be our output statement. And then the next one now is read Ellen semicolon cursor blinks until the user presses the enter key. All right, so we're going to go backspace to come back here, and we're going to close the program here by writing the word end, full stop, and our comments. We're going to include our comments here. So we're going to write program terminates. All right, so what we're going to do, this is our program. What we're going to do is now compile the program. All right, let us save. We're going to call this average of 3 numbers. Enter. All right, we're going to compile it now. All right, so we're going to compile our program. And it is saying we have one error. So if you look down here, it says line 5, and it says fatal sin begin with a U. Okay, so we're gonna count now. Gonna come here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this should be uses. Put the S there. I'm gonna compile now. We're gonna put this in all caps. Gonna run it now. I'm gonna shorten this and say average of of numbers. And then I'm going to come here, tab, come here, name of program, name of program, enter. I'm going to come here, tab, access, Pascal library. All right, so we're going to carry this across here. And we're going to put back this here, this there, this there, this there. I'm going to click compile. Average needs a colon there. All right, so we're going to compile. All right. We're going to count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. All right, so there seems to be a problem right here. So let us examine what is happening. All right, we're going to compile the program. All right, so it has 2 errors and at the same line. So what we're going to do, we're going to come here, backspace, and we're going to compile. And there it says no errors. And here now we can execute the program. All right, so it says enter the first number. I'm going to enter 4. Enter. It says enter the second number 5. Enter. 6. Enter. So it says the average is 5.0. Press enter to close the program. All right, so the program has successfully run. In the next video, I'll be explaining each of these lines of codes in the next video. So let me run the program again to show you. We click this. It says 0. Total errors equals 0. So we can now execute the program. So we come again. So the first number, let's enter 10. Enter. Let's enter 10 again. Enter. Let's enter 10 again. Enter. And the average is 10. Press enter to close the program. So this brings us to the end of today's video. Please take care until then. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.